Hello, my dear viewers. I apologize for being late. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here, guys. Today is 6th of November 2023. Today is Monday, so we are going to check the key levels for the major currency pairs. Actually, we are going to check the key levels for all the instruments that we are going to see, and there are more than 20 instruments that we see on a daily basis, like from Monday to Friday we are doing it. But I think that more or less people don't need them, so I thought that I will be doing it differently today. If there is anybody in the chat right now, please let me know so that I can talk to you directly. And my intention is that today we will take the request from the viewers first, and if we have any questions, if we have the routine job that we can do later, first we will address the questions of the viewers. If they have any, if they have any particular pair that they want me to address or they want me to check online, I'll be doing that live. And if there is nothing, then we can do the routine checking of the key levels for all the instrument that we have on our Forex. I just hope that somebody's there. I am not sure yet. I'll give you 2 minutes. If you have any question, any query, anything, please let me know. Okay, Amin Anwar is saying, hi Rakesh, how are you? I was able to watch your same old video related to technical and support and resistance, very helpful content. Thank you very much. I understand that. Amin, so you have any particular pair that you want me to check right now so that we can start from that pair? Anything? So you'll straight away go there wherever you are. Are you looking for some? Are you looking at any charts today? You think that you might be um, I mean, is there anything on your charts which you are keeping your eye on? Okay, you are saying CHF JPY. We have seen that, but before I show you the charts, I must tell you that please do not take my opinions as the trading advice. I am not an authorized advisor, but still I am doing this analysis for knowledge purposes. Please take them as knowledge only. Okay, so let me show you this standard risk disclaimer, please. This is very essential because you should know that something is going on here. Okay, all right, so let's go to the charts. Although I wanted to show you this dollar index, but because I told you that I'm going directly now on what Anwar is saying, so we are going to CHF JPY. This is here, CHF JPY. Oh wow, there is a breakout today. There is, it seems like it's a breakout, and let's see if it is a breakout or not. Okay, we go to this. We are sure that the market is making higher highs and higher lows here, right? So like I said that I'm looking for a lower low here, and then I'm expecting a higher high, higher low here, and then I'm expecting a higher high. But this process has to break out from this falling channel, and it actually looks like this channel is breaking out. All right, so let's go to the 4 hour. Is it making higher highs and higher lows already on the 4 hour? And is it happening with the volumes? Oh yeah, something is happening, but I think this high or this area is, I think, giving some resistance. So there is a possibility that the price will come like this. This is what I'm thinking right now, because this is the low that they have to protect. This is where the lot of buying is. So you can say this area is a buyer's area. If you draw a channel here again, you will have to do it like this. Okay, so I think this high is crucial here. I just want to mark it for once. This high at 167.21 I think is crucial. Where is my friend Anwar? What do you think? CHF JPY Anis is also here. Hello, and Rakesh. I lost some money in GBP CHF but learned an important lesson. How did you lose that money? Can you explain, please? Okay, did you just marry to that short? I think we were going to short that pair. Then we saw some strength in the GBP CHF, but I think you anyway shorted it, right? That is what I'm thinking now. Yeah. This is I just hope that you have done the same thing which I just mentioned. Is it not? Yeah, I was early in my shot, made a mistake. Yeah, so it's okay. Some lessons are learned. I'm expecting some correction in CHF JPY. If yes, there is possibility of that is what I just said. I said that this is the resistance. It can push the prices down. I mean, something like this can happen actually, and this is a very good spot. If you can get this by here, nothing like it. Okay, this is possible. So if I have to make it clean, I will show you like this. The price made a higher high than this high. Okay, and then this is a low, so I'm expecting actually something like this. I know that you may not be able to see anything here, so I just change the colors. Where are the colors? Where are the colors? Okay, here are the colors, and we do it like blue and green. What was that? On black. It was red and green on black. Okay, so this is good. Is it good? So I said this is a channel. Okay, from this it has broken, but this is the resistance green, and I'm expecting a pullback to this area, which may offer some resistance in the coming time. This is what I'm expecting. But generally that doesn't happen exactly as I'm trying to see here. There is a possibility that these highs which have just broken, they may also act as a support, and the price may reverse from here. Thanks for CHF JPY. Yes, but yes, if you ask me from the daily point of view, there is a lot of upside here in this one, because you see this market, the Swiss franc is getting stronger day by day, and Japanese yen is getting weak day by day. Here this was a resistance. This resistance was short-lived because the price was bought back from here, and eventually it broke from this high also. So yes, there is a potential of going higher, but this earlier high that the price has made on 31st of October, the high that it created is 167.21. that may resist the price for some time. And Amin and Anish, I have a proposal that why don't we just not go through all the pairs, and we just say discuss the pairs that we want to discuss about. Okay, like in the dollar index we can just have a look and we can say okay, dollar is going down. Okay, but for some reason dollar is being dollar is holding here, so you can say the dollar is neutral today. And if we go to 4 hour, we just want to know the bias. The bias is bearish, we know it. Okay, and today the price tried to go higher than this price on the 4 hourly. That means we can get a little cautious here, because the dollar may be bought back again, but 105.13 is the resistance. In the case of euro, euro is headed higher. That's a great idea, so more people can join and everyone's pair can be, yeah, of course, that is what my point is. And I would love to do like there was, I'm just sharing it, although I have no intention of taking money from anybody. I remember that there was a gamer who used to play very good game, and it was like a fighting game, and he announced one day on the live stream that I will do any agent that you ask me to play. I will play with any agent, and you give me $1 for every agent selection. Like you select my agent and I will play and I will win. If I win, you give me $1. It is very old YouTube channel, I remember, and I am a very hardcore gamer. I used to play games, video games, and that time I used to watch. I'm not asking you dollars, but you give me what pair you want to see. That's a great idea. So more people can join tomorrow. Australian dollar announcing rates. So how about Australian pairs? Yes, but I will not be discussing rates. But yes, I will watch all the Australian pairs if you want. So we will go to the new pair and we write here AUD. Okay, AUD. So there are a lot many Australian pairs already. So we go to the monthly. This is how we do the things. And with this you can actually find out how I do my analysis in the beginning. I think I will go with the default. What do you say? White. This default, I'm in love with this color. I don't know why. So here from 2003 onwards, you can see that the price was going up, then it got down, but again it started going up. It went here. This is the apex that the price has gone, almost 1.077. Okay, then dropping, went higher, then started dropping. This high was broken, went higher, then this low was broken, went lower, then this high was broken, but again this low was broken, lower. This high is broken higher, this low is broken low. So we are looking for a lower high most probably we are looking for a lower high on the monthly. So what is the recent high that the price has made? This one. And what is the recent low that the price has made? This one. Okay, so these are the monthly levels that we are looking for. I have already transferred funds to your account. Nice, thank you so much. That's all I need, Anwar. That's all I need. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so on the weekly, this was a weekly channel to the downside. This is taken out. Now on a weekly, the uptrend had started. How this price was making? Okay, I will change the color for this one. Guys, I will change the color for this one to blue, maybe. Foreground color is blue. I think this is good, and the stroke maybe it may be a little more. Okay. ODK is making cup and handle in 1 hour. Oh, we will go to 1 hour in a time. Okay, now we have a lot of time to discuss Australian pairs only. So what we were doing here, we were doing going in a weekly downtrend. Okay, but here something has happened. Now I want you to understand this. Every time I will be looking for something like this, a low, then a lower low. In between these two lows, this is the highest high. When this highest high breaks, this is called a market structure break. So earlier the market structure was down, right? Earlier the market structure was down. Now if it has broken, that means the market structure is up. On what time frame it is up? It is up now on weekly. Okay, this is weekly time frame. So we can say on weekly that now the market structure is up. All right, so let's go to the daily. We are only looking for the market structures here. The market structure on the weekly is up, and on the daily it is actually it is up on the daily also. So what you do, you go with the pink or brown, no, on the green, no, we have to take a color which is not there, black or gray, or why we don't have any color? Okay, So if you see this red color, this is the daily candles. You can actually forget about this. From here you can start. This is also an uptrend. So weekly and daily are aligned with each other, and this was the weekly resistance which the price has broken. So you mark this also on the chart and expect this level to act as a good resistance. Can you see on the daily when the price went higher and when it came down to this level acted as a good support, and the price was pushed back above those previous highs and made a highest high. Now also the price is trying to go down. From here, my friend, you can switch to 1 hour and go to the channel. Actually, you can create this channel like this. Okay, you know that there will be buying in this market. So whenever the price breaks out from this channel, you can be sure that the buyers are trying to take control and you can buy. So your first target will be these highs, and your next targets will be these highs. Okay, and the next highs will be these highs. Next target will be these highs. So while going up, you always target the highs, and while going down, you always target the lows. Now my friend was saying that ORICAD is making a cup and handle in 1 hour. Let's check that also. Oh, you call this cup and you call this handle. Well, I will say that when you are looking for a cup and handle, you are looking for a downtrend. Okay, then you see a cup forming, and then you see a handle forming, and an uptrend starts like this. Okay, here in this case, you see the price is going up. Okay, you are expecting a cup and handle here. Possible, yes, it's okay, but mostly you see that in the downtrend. Okay, here I will call it an inverse head and shoulder, although that is also seen at the bottoms. So something like this is forming here, although it has gone down and it is going like this now. We don't have to force a pattern if it is not there, so don't worry, but just know that if the price has to go up, it will not break this low. It will not break this low of 0.8823. If this low is taken out, then we cannot be buyers in this market. So yes, ORICAD bullish bias. Okay, so this is what you were expecting. Now tomorrow you are saying that there is a news in this one. I'm not sure which direction the news is going to take the market, but you know, as I say, that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So my intuition is saying that the news will come in the direction which will take the price back towards 0.8980, 0.9055 and 0.9116. This is what my intuition is. Even if the news doesn't come in the favor, then also the price is supposed to go in this manner, because somebody has spent a lot of money in breaking out from here. Okay, all right, so by today or maybe by tomorrow, if you get the price close to 0.8823, it will be, I think, a very good opportunity to go long. Even if the price starts going down from here, you will have a stop loss very short. You will have a very small stop loss like this. So your stop loss most probably will be approximately 10 to 20 pips. I think this is worth taking a risk because the market structure has just broken, and there's not huge resistance here which can push the prices down. Of course it can push the prices, but this is also supposed to act as a support, so expect a huge support in this area. Although my friend Anis, who is here, he has learned a lesson, so I will ask him to maybe go to 1 hour. Okay, and then look for something which I'm going to show him now. Look for something like this. Okay, then if it drops like this, expect a candle like this, then expect a candle like this, and then expect a candle like this. At least 3 hours, let it do like this. When whatever is the high of this last candle, keep a buy order above that. If it triggers, it triggers. If it doesn't trigger, it will fall. Okay, These are the two scenarios, but your trigger order will be triggered only if the high of the third candle, breaks, then your order should trigger. That's all, guys. This is the secret. So AudiCAD is done. Now what you want to see next? AudiCHF. Well, Australian dollar is strong, Swiss franc is strong, so I think both of them will be going nowhere. What do you think? Okay, sure. Thanks, Rakesh, for that insight. Yeah, brother. So we go to the monthly and we see what is going where. Okay, this is the crucial monthly level. This is the high that the price made before making this low. So we just play our games between these two levels. Okay, 55.89 to 61.68. So we go to weekly to find out is there anything specific here. So we have these highs and these lows in line, so we include them in our chart, this high. But we also notice that the price has not made higher high or lower low than this, although it has made a high and low. So this may be we call it what? All right. Where do you live? I mean, don't know about Rakesh. Maybe we should meet up. It's always a pleasure to catch up with traders. I live in Sharjah, UAE. You don't know about me, Anis? You told me that you know about me. I'm living in Gujarat, India. So when viewers start talking between among each other, that means the topic is not so interesting. Well, the trading is never interesting. Okay, so here I think that this line is acting as a resistance for time being, and also it is in line with these highs and these lows. I'll just show it to you on charts. So these levels are offering good resistance. I'm from Chennai, Rakesh. Oh wow, I'm in Dubai. Happy to meet. I'm from Chennai. He's from Chennai. I'm from Mumbai. I'm living in somewhere else. So let's meet up here on Google Meet. All right. So I think that Australian dollar is, I think, finding it difficult against the Swiss franc here. It has started giving up on its, I would say, gains that it has made. If you go on the 4-hour, you'll see that the price was going higher highs, higher lows, and here the price has made high. Okay, I will consider this as a high, so this is a low. So there is still a probability that the price will go high, but if it has to go down, it will break through this low that the price has made. Yeah, or if not this, then you can consider this also, although the low that is here is lower than this higher one. Okay, so you can either consider this low, or maybe I will go to 1 hour to spot if I'm doing something right. So it made high first here, then low here, then high here. So I was right in the first time. So it is like this. Yes. And now that is taken out. I think this one is taken out. This is very difficult. The trend lines and channels are great tools. I learned from you, Rakesh. Thanks a lot. Thanks for that. You're welcome. I will plan to meet with you, Rakesh, during my next trip to India next year. Let's see. Yeah, brother. Let's see. Address Anish Ahmad. I am in Dubai. Happy to meet. All right. So we are done. So I'm thinking that there is a possibility that this low that the price has made has already negated these lows here. Can you see? See, the price was on 1 hour, the price was making cool higher highs and higher lows. Then it made this low here, and then it made a next high. So between these two highs on the 1 hour, these were the lows, and these lows are now taken out. So now these lows should be acting as a resistance, and that is exactly what is happening on the 1 hour. Can you see that? I think no trade in ODCHF for the moment. For the moment, I just spotted a trade, but that is a sell trade in a buying market. So of course it is against the trend. Sorry, what you said on the daily? Let me check. So from the resistance, if something is being sold off, I think we got it early. What do you say? 32.54. We have a stop loss based on the daily here. Yeah, 30 pips. And a potential profit, I will say at least of 93 pips, because these highs may provide support, or maybe even to 206. But my point here is that you are trading on the 1 hour and you are taking the stop loss on the daily. This is good. You rarely get this opportunity. So, and also on the 4 hour, you can see that if you spot these three candles, you see, are these not like this? Come on, tell me, are these not like this? And then the low of this candle was taken out, boom, and the high of this candle was never taken out. So you can say when the low of this candle was taken out, this candle, you could keep stop loss here or say here, and it will keep going down. And then you can, on the 1 hour, actually you can keep counting it like this, boom boom, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until it meets this area. You can cover your profits if you want, or otherwise you can keep bringing your stop loss lower until it gets triggered here. So this will be your profit. Yeah, and this was your stop loss here. I hope you understand. If it does make any sense, give me that like button, smash that like button for me. And if it doesn't make any sense, let me know that, Rakesh, it doesn't make any sense. So ODCHF is all that I just mentioned. Let's see, I'm just leaving my lines like this, and maybe when we come back tomorrow, we will have a look at it and we'll see how did it happen. All right. So we go for the next pair. That is, yes, makes sense, but it will, I will say, okay, good. You have a good, this is good. You should be waiting. Waiting is good. Okay, Australian dollar, we were expecting an up move from days and weeks and months. So ODJPY we are doing daily, so we don't have to do it, right? You are already expecting it to go towards 97.34, and I think it has taken all the targets that we were expecting. Let me show you this ODJPY where we have all the levels. So yeah, next level is 97.67, which we are expecting soon. Maybe nothing is happening because tomorrow is news, but maybe day after you can expect something around 97.67 or maybe higher. Even if the price starts going down from here, first level of support should be 96.92, because this is the recent high that the price has broken. But if it is not able to provide support, then expect the support around 95.66. This is a good area of support. Okay, and also this is in line with the highs. Actually no, this area is aligning with this line on 21st of November. Tomorrow, if the price has to go, then it will, I think, go towards around 95.19 to find support. If tomorrow it has to happen. Tomorrow is 7. Yeah. So let's see how the things happen tomorrow. So I will not talk about ODJPY, but I will take the next pair, that is OD New Zealand. That is also we are discussing. Do you want to see Australian dollar against the Singapore dollar? Do you want to see that? Oh, let's go for the major. We are already discussing it every day. We have our levels. Let's go to those levels. Guys, who is with me from like 10 to 15 days here? Who is with me here from last 10 to 15 days? And who remembers when I said that Australian dollar is definitely going up? Who remembers? Anybody? Nobody? So till now we were talking about 65.21. Can you see that yesterday also it tried and today also it tried, but no, 65.21, he says no, this is the level of Rakesh, we cannot just surpass it like this. Me from long, yeah, good. So above 0.6399 we went long, but we said that this is the level, this is the key level. If the price goes beyond 0.6521, I think we will become buyers for the long term. And right now if you are already long, you should be, I think, giving up on your longs and just get out from this. Yes, if you want to buy this, you can keep a stop order above the high of today's candle, so that if the price goes beyond it, then you can buy this market, by all means, if you want to be aggressive. Otherwise, I will say let the price go higher and come back to this area to find it a fresh support, which it will be, I think, and then you can target 0.6616 and 0.6739. What do you say? Okay, so Australian dollar is or USD is also taken up already against the Singapore. I have never seen it, but let's check out what is happening in the Australian dollar against the Singapore. All right. Why the Australian dollar and monthly Singapore data is not coming? Sorry guys, data is not loading. There is some problem. By the way, you can ask me some questions if you have, or you can suggest me some pair that you want to see, please. Or from the Brent or say Bitcoin, you want to see something. Okay, in Brent, I can see there is a huge volume in the selling here. Okay, the sellers were huge here, so I don't think that they will allow the price to go higher from here before it meets 83.45. Any comments on this one? Anyone? Do you see what I can see here? A head and shoulder forming up here. How can you see that? How can you see that, guys? How can you see that? Boom, 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 boom. All right. So yes, head and shoulder. I see USDMXN, please. Yeah, that's my favorite USDMXN. I will see that. Okay, so this is, I think, on the crucial moment where it will break down, and if it breaks down from here, then potential targets on the downside is 1137 points. 1131 points, or approximately, they are approximately 73.33 levels, so that is possible. Okay, if it breaks down from here. Let me check if my Australian dollars monthly chart is open. No, no, this is not the chart, right? The chart was something else. Australian against the Singapore. So this is in a downtrend, but I want to see my Australian dollar. Where are my charts? Okay, my charts are intact. So last one, which are we going to see? USD MXN, right? US dollar against the Mexican peso. Once upon a time, this was my favorite pair to watch. Oh, this one and the South African rand, they moved like, wild. I will not say wild, but yes, they move. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive months of a fall. What a fall. Mm-hmm. All right. Why I'm making these? Just to make sure if the price rises from here, to what extent it can go. And after these lows here, these are the monthly levels. Why I'm drawing even the, okay, so let me check the weekly. Okay, on the weekly the price went higher, starts making higher highs and higher lows. Here it failed. So even if the price rises towards 17.938, expect a down move. So let's go to daily. All right, so you see here it's very simple, my friend. Who was asking this? Okay, till here the price was making lower highs and lower lows, right? All right, but here between these two lows, this is the highest high. The price just broke this high, then came back to this area to act as a support, and then pushed higher, making higher low, and made a higher high, made a higher low, made a higher high, made a higher low, tried to make a higher high, failed badly, and gave us a double top breakdown. Who is willing to check a double top breakdown here, guys? You just got something on the daily. One high, second high, reaction low. This is the breakdown from here, right? And this breakdown is now, I think, going to be retested. Then you can sell this market around here. So this will be around 17.749. And Anis, I think you are looking for something approximate. I'm going to give you approximate targets on this one. I think you are looking for approximately 70.0487 area. Yes, waiting for same level to short. Yeah. Okay, so don't be in a hurry. One simple way that you can use, like we are always using, this is very effective, is the counter trending channel. Believe me, it is very effective. It will cut short your stop loss. Just make a channel by joining these two lows and this recent high and let it go. Okay, if the price starts trading higher than this, do not look for a selling opportunity. But if you see that you can get some selling opportunity around in this region, like if the price starts going like this and then it breaks out and then goes to retest that area, this is the best that you can get. But from here, if it breaks down, then whatever low that the price has made after breakdown, I mean, say if these are the candles, say poke, 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 poke. If this is the low that the price has created after breaking down and the price is trading here, here and here, you make a sell entry here. And whatever highs that the price has made, above that will be your stop loss. And your take profit will be this one. Getting my idea? Getting a beautiful explanation. Fat, thanks. What is that? Big fat, thanks. Okay. Most welcome. Always. Oh, this is what we always do, Anis. This is what we always do. And one more thing, there is a probability that the price will break down from here. Okay, from here directly. It's okay. That was not worth it. That was not worth trading, because we want to minimize our stop loss and we want to maximize our take profit. So this is all the game. This is all the game statistics. All right, USDMX is taken out. Anything else that you want me to see, or we can call it a day and we will see you tomorrow again. And I hope to get more and more questions and more pairs from you which you want to check out. All right then. Yeah, if you have, see you tomorrow, Rakesh. Thanks a lot. Okay, Anwar, let's go. Guys, if you are vibing around here, you can show your presence by smashing that like button which is below the video. I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming days and hours. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. You can do this by adjusting your position size. And with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. I'll be taking them into consideration if there are any good suggestions. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.